I didn't travel back in time. I didn't jump from a plane. I didn't go to a soccer game. And I'm definitely not a knight in armor. That was the same photo transformed into 4 completely different styles. And I didn't write a single prompt to do any of it. Not one word. Google just completely overhauled how image generation works inside Gemini. Instead of staring at a blank chat box trying to figure out what to type, there's now a dedicated image creation dashboard with built-in style templates. You pick a style, you upload a photo, and the image is done. That's it. No prompting, no describing, no back and forth. The whole process takes about 10 seconds. And if you're someone who creates content for social media, or you just want to stand out on LinkedIn, Instagram, or any platform where visuals matter, this update is about to save you a lot of time and give you way more creative options than you had before. Because the biggest bottleneck with AI image tools has always been the prompting, and Gemini just removed it entirely. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how this new interface works, the features most people are going to miss, and why this might actually change how you create visuals going forward. If you find this useful, gently tap that like button. It really helps more people find this. Let's get into it. You open Gemini. Click the plus menu or the Create Images option, and you're in the dedicated image mode. From here, you see the style templates along the bottom. I'll click one. Let's say pulp. I upload a photo, and about 10 seconds later, I get this cool image. No prompt, no description, just a style choice and a photo. Now I'll try another one. Let's try paint. I like it. I'm going to test a few more throughout this video so you can see if the results actually match the samples shown in Gemini. Same photo, completely different result. And the only thing I changed was which style button I clicked. The key insight here is you're not learning prompt engineering. You're not describing scenes. You're not figuring out the right words. You're clicking a button and uploading a photo. That's a skill level anyone can handle. And the results are genuinely impressive. And if you're finding this useful so far, drop a comment below and tell me which style template you'd try first. I'm curious which ones people are going to use the most. Now, beyond the templates, there are some features in this update that most people are going to miss. And these are the ones that matter most if you're using AI images for actual work. First, text rendering is dramatically better. If you've used AI image tools before, you know that text inside images has always been a mess. Misspelled words, garbled letters, text that looks like it was written by someone having a stroke. Gemini's new image model handles text with surprising precision. You can put exact labels, headlines, slogans, or product names directly into the image, and they actually come out readable. That's a huge deal for anyone creating social content, event graphics, or any visual where the text needs to be readable. Second, native aspect ratios. You can now generate images in different aspect ratios directly without cropping. That means you can create ultra-wide images for YouTube banners, vertical images for Instagram stories, square images for social posts, all natively. No more generating a square image and trying to crop it into something else. Now, if you're wondering how this compares to ChatGPT, both tools offer presets to help you get started, but the experience is different. With ChatGPT, you pick a preset and then refine through conversation, typing prompts, adjusting, iterating. With Gemini, you click a style, upload a photo, and the image generates in 10 seconds. Gemini's strength is raw speed. You go from nothing to a finished image faster than you can write a sentence describing what you want. Both are useful. The best choice depends on whether you want deep creative control or the fastest possible result. And what I like is that the templates from ChatGPT and Gemini are actually different. So for us, that just means more options to play with. But what's clear is that AI image tools are moving away from complex prompting and towards simpler, more visual interfaces. And that's good for everyone who's not a prompt engineer, which is most people. This is one of the most meaningful updates Google has made to Gemini in a while. Honestly, if you haven't checked your Gemini app recently, now is the time. And I'm sure once you try the templates, you'll see just how easy this is. And by the way, Google didn't just update images. They also made major changes to video generation inside Gemini, and I'm covering that in my next video. If you don't want to miss it, subscribe so you see it when it drops. I will see you in the next one, and let's thrive with AI together.